Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I got this flipped bob look. If you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. But before we go anywhere, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post. Like, comment, and share this video.
Empire. You know I can sing it.
Todd, can you play that again?
Stop. Hold up.
Show your little body.
Hey guys, so basically I'm just installing the wig right now. I'm going to be using my Got2B glue and my Got2B gel to install this wig. This wig I've installed on camera before, so that's why, like, what am I saying? Yeah, it's not a new wig. So I'm just installing the hair, and like I said, I will be using the Got2B glue and the Got2B spray to do this install. Then I'm going to be doing my baby hairs, and for my baby hairs I used my mousse with non-alcohol in it, and this is a key ingredient when you're doing the baby hairs with the install on a like Got2B install, because the Got2B is not a strong hold, so it's easier to like lift up if when you're doing your baby hairs with the mousse. And if it has alcohol in it, then for sure it's gonna lift up. So you need to try to get a mousse that has no alcohol in it when you're doing your baby hairs, and for sure it will stay down. You guys are gonna see that I did that and it did move. But yeah, I used the mousse for my baby hair, and I also went in with the spritz to kind of spray over it to make the baby hairs a little bit more secure. But yeah, that's all I'm doing for this install. Sorry, when I'm doing the flip, then I will definitely come back to you guys so you guys could see. Is out the way. Now is when I'll be kind of slowing things down for you guys. So basically I'm trying to do from the picture, I'm trying to get the side swoop kind of thing going on, almost like the 90s style, but you know, that's the but I think I'm gonna do over here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm basically just gonna do my baby hairs, and then I'm gonna start the styling process. So y'all already know I like using my mousse and then go in with like either the Got2B spray or the spritz to mold it down, and then I'm going to be using my wax to kind of silk down my hair. I'm gonna use this wax. I know I'm supposed to use like hair wax, but this is what I have, so this is what I'm going to use. It's pretty much, well, this is hair wax, but you know the stick wax, that's what you're supposed to use. But I'm gonna use this because like I always say in my video, it's not about the well, it's kind of about the product that you have, but also about how you use your products. Because you can use the same exact product that somebody has. You go out and you buy it. When you come, it doesn't work the way you want it to, because again, it's not just about the so I'm gonna start right here. I'm just gonna put some oil sheen on it. Yo, do you guys see this burn? Like, it's actually coming up and I'm so annoyed. I think I'm gonna spray this on the curls so like it actually stays. But this is so cute, like it's so cute, guys. Okay, I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'll be back. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Today for my makeup, I didn't do much. I did my regular routine, and today I didn't feel like putting on any lashes, so these are my natural lashes. Also, speaking of lashes, I have to do an updated video on the lash extensions video that I did, because everybody was just like, did your lashes came out, you know, what's the tea on it like after. As you can see, I am still able to do mascara on my natural lashes, so no, my lashes did not come out. My lashes are fine, but I will do an updated video dedicated. I will do a video dedicated to just that. But for now, this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and yeah, I will definitely see you guys in my next one.